Tyler 16-bit here, back with another video, and this is an unboxing of the Metaphor ReFantazio Collector's Edition for the Xbox Series X. Now, I've already taken off the plastic and even the slipcover here, which is on the left, and this game is by Atlas, as everyone knows by now. And the slipcover on both sides is just gray with the game's name on it. And then on the back, it has some more information about the game, as well as everything that's included here. And there are people honking outside. But anyway, so yeah, that's the slipcover. So let's get right into the collector's edition itself. As you can see, it has really nice designs on the front here, and even on the side, it has some cool writing on it. And let's see if there's anything on the back. Just a heart, but still very nice looking. And let's see if we can open it up here. Well, oh, okay. So yeah, there are some cards. Obviously, there's a code right there, which will be redeemed by myself before this video goes up. So yeah, let's take a look at this. This is the sticker sheet. It's got various stickers from the game and from Atlas's 35th anniversary. Yeah, Metaphor ReFantazio premium stickers. All right, and let's see what this is for. Oh, it's for the DLC pack. And right here is the premium art book. So let's see if we can get that out of here. Yeah, it looks really nice on the front. And of course, on the back, there's not really much of anything, but on the front here, it looks really cool. So there's that. There's the cloth map that can be, hung on the wall for display, or just anything you would use a cloth map for. But there's that, and here's the game itself, which this is what the regular version would look like. And here's all the information on the back of it, very similar to what's on the back of the slipcover. And this right here is the steelbook. The physical game itself is in the regular case, but the steelbook here looks really cool. Definitely a fan of steelbooks for sure. And this is the soundtrack, the special soundtrack. It has some of the characters on it. And this, I believe, is the pin set. Yeah, like there's various pins on the inside. Let's see if I can get this open. Hopefully it won't take as long as the unboxing for that Xbox controller that I got recently did. Yes, sometimes these boxes are always tight, but there we go. And there are the pins. They kind of look like teeth a little bit. Well, they look quite a bit like teeth, but yeah, overall a really cool collector's edition. I must say it was definitely worth the I think it was $150. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and you all take care.